How to create calendar in Google Docs. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can create calendar in Google Docs. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Google Docs in your device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now to create your calendar, first of all, you have to type in the name for the month. For example, I want to create the calendar for me. So once you have typed in the name of the month, now you have to insert the table for the calendar. For that, click on this insert option from this menu bar at the top, and now you have to insert the table. So click on the table. Now you have to select the number of rows and number of columns that you want to add on your table. So for now, I will select 7 columns and then 6 rows. There you go, we have our table for the calendar. So in the first row, you have to type in the name of the days. Now once you're done typing the name of the day at the first row, now on the remaining cell of this table, you have to fill in the dates for the month. So in each cell, you have to fill up the dates. So once you're done with the dates, now you can edit your calendar a little bit. So for that, you can highlight the dates with a different color. Select the entire row, click on this color, and then now you can add the color. In the same way, now you can highlight the dates as well. Once you're done editing your calendar according to your choice, then you can save this calendar. So in this way, you can create calendar on Google Docs, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.